Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, Active Senior Life. Today I am riding my wife's e-bike, the Rad Mission, and we'll talk about it as we go along. So I'm putting the power on, and it's on pedal assist 1. My battery is powered up to 4 dots, so I guess that's about 80%. And here we go. We've had this bike for about a year and a half now, and before I got my own Rad Rover 6 Plus, I used to ride this bike a lot. Found it a very capable bike. This is a single speed bike, so it has no gears like the other one. I'm on the sidewalk. It's a little bumpy, got to be careful. So first of all, a very happy new year. This is the Chinese New Year 2023. The year of the rabbit. And I was just googling that. It said rabbit stands for quiet, contemplation and stillness. And of course at the same time, you know how fast a rabbit can run. So coming back to the Rad Mission, this does not have a speedometer, so you don't have an idea of how fast you're going, but that's irrelevant really. Those are the brakes, work pretty well. The suspension of this bike is quite hard, so it does not soak up the bumps as smoothly as the Rad Rover 6 Plus, obviously. I'm cycling on one of the inner residential streets around Southam Park. This is Ryan Road, and very close to Montfield Gate, which is the access to big Buddhist temple. So it's a very busy Sunday. A lot of people have parked their cars on the side street and walked to the temple. I have an accessory mirror on my left hand side, the left handlebar, which is very useful to be forewarned of any traffic coming up from behind you. As they say, forewarned is forearmed. The bike is running smooth. As long as you're on asphalt, paved road, it goes fine. And I've got my headlights on, which comes on automatically as soon as you switch on the bike. And also by default, the pedal assist goes to level 1. You can go up to pedal assist 4, but if you want to conserve battery power, obviously you stick to 1 or 2. On a full charge, this battery is supposed to give you around 45 kilometers, and as I said earlier, we've had this bike for a year and a half, and it still gives us almost 45 kilometers to a single charge, so that's not bad. So I use the throttle here to speed up my progress across that intersection, and this is a very useful feature to have on any e-bike. You can get that little extra boost of power while climbing a slope. And at traffic lights it's really very useful, because you know how the road always has an upward camber at these intersections. That's the way road engineers design these intersections, I guess. There must be some scientific reason behind it. I'm not an engineer, so I can't tell you. Or when you're stopped at an intersection and the light turns green, you take much less time to power your way through that signal, because as we all know, we've ridden these manual bikes where you kind of straining your thigh muscles or calf muscles, and also a lot of the time you actually stand up on your pedals for that extra thrust. You don't have to do that on these e-bikes, which is a really cool feature. Well, I'm riding on a gravel trail here, or gravel road, more like it. I'm still on pedal assist 1. Seems to be absolutely no problem. Uphill. I'm going to give it a little throttle, and up she goes. The motor is fairly quiet. This is a slight downhill. Woo-hoo. I want to stop here. So you can see that's a headlight. So I've just ridden down this trail and waiting at the railway crossing. So you can see the battery level there, indicator, and the pedal assist indicator is below. It's on pedal assist 1. The headlight is on. I can also switch the headlight off. Now the headlight is off. It's fairly comfortable even pedaling on this sort of gravel trail alongside these farms. And I am riding the bike just with holding the bike rather with my right arm, so I can hold the GoPro with my left. Slight incline, assist through.